Fox Business Alert: the world's crypto leaders and executives are congregating right now at the Blockworks Digital Asset Summit in New York City. One of the participants, and there are hundreds of them, is Western Union, the 175-year-old money transfer company, which is leaping into the future aboard the blockchain train. It's hopping on the Solana developer platform, a one-stop shop for businesses to launch digital financial products. Western Union is also going to put out its own stablecoin, USDPT, which is built on the Solana blockchain. What does this all mean to all of us who have known Western Union for decades and are wondering, how is this going to change the company? President and CEO Devin McGranahan joins me live now from the Blockworks conference at the Javits Center in Manhattan. Devin, let's talk about this toolkit that actually, as I understand it, will help you develop your digital financial offerings, even though you don't have a lot of experience in it. So tell us what you'll be able to do with Solana.
So Solana is allowing us to launch our own stablecoin, USDPT, which stands for US Dollar Payment Token. We are a specialist in moving money for people across borders. And with our own stablecoin, we're going to be able to do that faster, cheaper, but most importantly, we're going to allow our customers around the world to be able to hold a dollar-denominated asset with the USDPT.
It's not, I would imagine, as intimidating maybe as buying some of the other cryptos out there. Who's this for? Tell me the type of customer that you believe will jump into this part of your business.
Yep. It's going to be as easy as being able to go onto westernunion.com, or frankly, walking into any one of our retail agents. You could walk into, a Walgreens or a Publix and send money to a loved one somewhere in the world, and they'll be able to receive that in our stablecoin. They'll be able to hold that dollar-denominated asset in their country, and maybe if it's one of the 20-plus countries that we're going to offer it, they'll be able to walk out with a Visa stablecoin-backed card that they can walk into the marketplace and then use as a payment vehicle, paying with U.S. dollars instead of local currency.
I would imagine this can be done in seconds. How quickly?
This can be done in real time. So yes, seconds. You send the money and it can show up in your loved one's digital wallet, Western Union account, or on their stablecoin card, pretty much in real time.
You're known, though, for decades, more than a century, for money transfer in dollars. And you've been able to get, obviously, a decent commission there. Will it be less expensive to do it this way?
So it will be competitive with market rates. We think it'll be less expensive. And we're going to offer great offers to customers to be able to ensure that people adopt this technology. Our goal is to create great value for our customers, accessibility, great pricing, and being able to do everything in real time is a value proposition we think people want. And we believe Western Union can offer that, and we can offer that starting in the second quarter via our new stablecoin, USDPT.
Well, can you give me the charge? What is the rate that you will charge between regular money transfer and what we see today and what you are unveiling today?
Yeah, so today, on average, around the world, transferring money costs somewhere between 2 and 3% of the principal value of the money, or of the total being sent. We think this will be somewhere between 0 and 2%, but it depends heavily on what countries you're sending it to and how much you're sending. So you'll see this be probably less expensive, but in some places in the world, it might end up being a little bit more expensive. But some places are very hard to send money to, where other places are much easier.
Who is your average or your regular customer? We know that in the past it has been people who moved here from other countries, migrants who wanted to send money back home. How has that profile expanded and changed at Western Union?
Yeah, so our primary customer we call the aspiring population of the world. So these are people on the journey to financial inclusion. These are people who are seeking to better their lives, and all of our products and services are really oriented towards that transactional financial service. So we offer bill pay, we offer money orders, we offer prepaid cards, we offer debit cards, and now we're going to offer the ability to move money and pay with stablecoins. So our customer is someone who is trying to achieve financial success mostly outside of the traditional banking system, and our products are geared towards helping that customer achieve their goals.
Look at the stock, and it's been a rough go. And even before you, as the top manager, came, we've watched Western Union. Past 6 months actually have been looking pretty decent, but 5 years down 62%, maximum chart down still a bit. And you got to tell me, make your case for an investor who might be watching right now to buy this stock at this point.
Yeah, so we're in a turnaround effort. Payment stocks in general in the marketplace, as you know from looking at other payments companies, have fallen out of favor as the cycle has rotated to AI and other things. But our underlying company has an investment-grade balance sheet. We have a 9+% dividend yield. And as you can see, as you said, over the last 6 months, the market is starting to recognize the hard work that we've put in over the last couple of years to really build a great foundation, but more importantly, to start innovating that allows the company to grow profitably. And so you're starting to see that, and we believe that we're on the right trajectory to really create something special here at Western Union.
Well, 9%, that makes it easier, 9% yield, so thank you very much for putting that out there.
9%.
Yeah.
9% yield with an investment-grade balance sheet. Those two are very important. So we are a investment-grade credit risk with a 9% yield.
Devin, good luck. We'll be watching the new stablecoin coming out, and keep us posted.
Thank you.
It's known as the Super Bowl of energy, the oil sector's biggest conference, and the Iran war, topic number one at Sarah Week. We are going to speak to the CEO of the largest energy infrastructure company in America about the Middle East conflict, potential opportunities after the shooting stops, and all the breaking news surrounding what's going on in the Strait of Hormuz. The Enbridge CEO here next in a Fox Business exclusive. And JP Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon thinks the conflict in Iran could lead to long-term peace and prosperity in the Middle East. We'll take you live to the Hill and Valley Summit for more of his eye-opening comments when the Claman Countdown comes back in a minute.